At Vikram Solar, we lead by example through innovation, research, and modernization. We believe in the theory of walking the talk. That's why we powered our manufacturing unit with the awesomeness of solar. As one of India's leading solar module manufacturer and EPC solutions provider, we decided to construct a rooftop solar project on our own manufacturing facility in Falta, Kolkata, India. This rooftop project gives out one message loud and clear. At Vikram Solar, we sell what we use. Constructing the project with the difference in module size was the main challenge, due to which the module mounting structures had to be adjusted as per requirement for each row, and the module-to-module looping, as both half-cut and full-cell modules were used together. In the project, the photovoltaic modules used were Somera series and monocrystalline PERC half-cut and full-cell, and the project is expected to have an annual energy yield of 1,350.58 megawatt-hour. This project is unique, as for the first time, 12 different types of modules and a mix of half-cut and full-cell modules manufactured by Vikram Solar were used in a single rooftop project, along with various company-make inverters and robotic cleaning system. Despite the challenges, our team took only 1 month from start to end. The result, a 919.73 kilowatt solar plant consisting of 2,574 solar modules ranging from 325 to 400 watt peak. Covering an area of 6,500 square meters, the plant will save more than 27% of the entire manufacturing unit's electricity consumption during normal time of the day operation, resulting in a total saving of about 98.8 lakh rupees per annum on energy costs at our manufacturing unit. This self-sustaining initiative by Vikram Solar will lay the foundation for more green energy units, reducing carbon footprint, and more innovation. This project will serve as a testbed for different types of high-efficiency and advanced technology modules with inverters, and help determine the best combination for future projects at different environmental conditions and geographic locations. This project is expected to provide valuable information on degradation factor, actual soiling loss, and the performance of anti-PID kits, thus allowing us to innovate, providing an excellent value proposition for our business partners. This is just one of many smart, need-of-the-hour, and eco-friendly solutions that Vikram Solar is engineering to build a sustainable future. Don't just live under the sun. Seize it for your large-scale, visionary projects. Vikram Solar puts the power in your hands. Vikram Solar, creating the climate for change. To know more, get in touch with our team